Friends, today I bought you an electric cycle and this is EMotorad T-Rex Air, a premium electric cycle from Pune based EMotorad brand. So in this video, let's discuss complete details about this EMotorad T-Rex Air electric cycle. So before diving into the video, this is Aditya Venu and you're watching Electric Vehicles India. Friends, this EMotorad manufactures premium electric cycles and MS Dhoni is one of the investors in this company and he is the brand endorser of this EMotorad, and this model is called EMotorad T-Rex Air. Now I'll let you know the highlight features of this EMotorad T-Rex Air electric cycle. The first highlight thing is its weight. It's just 22.3 kgs and this cycle comes with semi-assembled. That means you have to assemble some of the parts of this electric cycle like tires and handlebar. The good thing about this electric cycle is you can easily detach the front wheel of this electric cycle and you can carry this electric cycle anywhere on your car. And the frame is made up of steel and this frame comes with a 5 years of warranty. And the second highlight thing of this electric cycle is this battery. This EMotorad T-Rex Air comes with a portable battery. This is the second key of this electric cycle, so you can detach the battery of this electric cycle just like this. Coming to the configuration, this is a 36 volts 10.2 Ah lithium-ion battery pack with IPX5 rating, and this electric cycle comes with a 2 amps charger with which you can fully charge this portable lithium-ion battery pack in just 4 to 5 hours. The highlight thing is the portability. If you are staying in an apartment, you can easily detach and attach the battery pack of this electric cycle just like this. The next highlight thing is this rear wheel. The rear wheel comes with a 250 watts BLDC hub motor with which this electric cycle can go up to a top speed of 25 km/h, and this rear wheel is attached by a gear system. This gets a Shimano 7-speed gear system. This gear system will be helpful to those who add cycling in their workout. So basically, if you are someone who workouts with a cycle, this gear system will be very helpful to you. Now let me demonstrate you how this gear system works. You can adjust the gear system with the help of this small knob. You can engage and you can disengage the gears from here. Now I am in the 7th gear, so this gear system was from 7 to 1, not from 1 to 7. Now I am in the 7th gear. If I pedal one time, it will go 1 meter, and if I add some gears, you have to pedal it more. So basically it wants you to pedal more to travel a few distance. So if I add it in the first gear, I have to pedal 7 times to travel only 1 meter, whereas in the 7th gear I have to pedal only 1 time to travel 1 meter. So this is the difference between the 7th gear and first gear, and this is how the gear system in the cycles work. I hope you understand this. The next highlight thing is its display. This EMotorad T-Rex Air comes with a 5 inches display. So before the display, this is the key of this electric cycle. You will get a key to switch on and switch off this display. So if I switch on the key and press the power button for 2 seconds, this 5 inches display will switch on. So in this display, you will get information about the energy bar, speed, pedal assistance system. This electric cycle has 5 levels of pedal assist system. In a while, I'll let you know how that 5 levels will work. And under this we have odometer, and if you press power button once, you will get to know the trip A details, the volume detail, the current trip meter and the timer too. So you will get these 5 details in the odometer place of this 5 inches display. And left side they gave a small 3-way button. So with the help of this button you can switch on and switch off this 5 inches display, and they gave a plus and minus button. If you press button, you will go to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th levels of pedal assistance system, and if you press minus button, you will come back to 0 level of pedal assist system. And if you press and hold this minus button, you will get into the walk mode. So for example, if you get tired and if you engage this electric cycle into this walk mode, it will walk on its own. So it will definitely decrease the stress on you. So it will go on its own. You just need to handle this handlebar. And if you press and hold this plus button, there is a small light over here, so this light will switch on. The through of this light is very good in the dark time, and you'll also get a small horn integrated in this light. And if you press and hold this plus button, the lights get switch off. This EMotorad T-Rex Air gets a 10 mm travel telescopic suspension at the front. So the suspension travel and the performance of this suspension is decently good, and you won't get any suspension at the rear. There will be some categories in the cycle, so this is one of them where you will get only front suspension, but not rear suspension. Coming to the tires, these are very long tires. At the rear you will get a 29 inches and at the front you will get 27.5 inches, and you can also attach thin tires to the alloys of this electric cycle and you will get disc brakes on the front as well as rear too. Now I'll ride this electric cycle, and while riding I'll let you know in how many ways we can ride this electric cycle effectively. The first way is like a regular way. Now this is a regular cycle. How we pedal with a regular cycle? So same like that we can pedal this electric cycle. So no power has been transferred to the wheels from the motor or from the battery. So now this is a regular cycle. You can regularly ride this electric cycle just like this.
Second way is by using pedal assist system. To use the pedal assist system, you have to switch on this electric cycle. If you switch on the key and if you press and hold the power button for 2 seconds, the 5 inches display will switch on, and if you press plus button once, it will switch into the first level of pedal assist system. So in this pedal assist system, there won't be much strain on your legs. If you travel in the first level of pedal assist system, there will be push from the motor for each pedal you travel on this electric cycle. So as you go on increasing the pedal assist levels, the push from the motor will increase. For example, if you travel in the 5th level of pedal assist system, if you pedal once, the motor will give you 5 times pedaling energy from the motor. So like this pedal assist helps you to travel more distance by applying less energy on your legs. And the third way is by using the throttle. There is a small throttle on the right handlebar of this electric cycle. So if you start using this throttle, this electric cycle will turn into electric scooter. So you don't need to pedal anything. If you throttle once, the motor will automatically give you the enough power which you want. So like this, in these 3 ways you can ride this electric cycle. Coming to the range, in pedal assist mode, it can give you 50 kilometers of range, and if you run whole battery on the throttle, it can give you 40 kilometers of range. Coming to the top speed, it can attain a top speed of 25 km per hour. Coming to the warranty, company is offering 5 years warranty on the frame, 2 years warranty on the portable battery pack, and 1 year warranty on the motor and controller of this EMotorad T-Rex Air electric cycle. Now let's discuss about the price. The price of this EMotorad T-Rex Air electric cycle is 34,999. This is available in EMotorad's official website and in Amazon too. I'll leave the links of both websites in the description. If you are interested, please go ahead and purchase this electric cycle directly from there. So this is the complete information, detailed review of this EMotorad T-Rex Air electric cycle. What's your opinion on this electric cycle? Please let me know in the comments, and if you found the video informative, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric.